the way to do RAM preview is to go to this final button on the time control and click on RAM preview, and it'll play it back in full real time once it saves it to RAM. So as you can see, we have a very fast move happening there. It's only 20 frames long. And so RAM preview is really the way to play it back in real time. And once you add audio and other effects, you'll need to do a RAM preview to see it. So now we're going to add text to our composition. And the best way to do that is to go to the Effects palette and select Basic Text, and just drag that into the composition, and then the Basic Text window comes up, and let's type in the end. We're going to do closing credits here. And let's change the font to something a little more interesting. I don't know what that is. It's not too interesting. No. I know I have something more interesting here than that. A little too interesting. Let's see. Okay. Let's select that.